Welcome back to my channel, online learning platform. So if you are installing the library, you can just write pip install matplotlib. It is installed. Once if you are write pip install TensorFlow, if you getting the error like this, so how to solve this error? First you need to write Python version, and then it will go show to you 3.13. You need to change your Python version into 3.10 because TensorFlow is only run in the older version, that is 3.10, not above 3.10. Above version the TensorFlow not work. Okay, so you need to create a path, that is conda create -n, that is new tfenv. This is our environment, and Python equal 3.10. so it is installed by default, and then after that you can see it is installed, and then press y and enter, and after the installation it will ask activate the environment. Copy this command, paste over here, conda activate new environment. As you can see, it is right now it is on base. So after clicking this, enter the command, you can see it will come to new environment from base to tf new. See the new environment, you will go over there, and after coming over here you can upgrade pip install, upgrade pip. So if you show the error, so you can write the command, that is this one, python.exe -m pip install upgrade pip. It is upgrade and install the older version and install the new version and uninstall the older one. So after doing all of this, now you can write pip install TensorFlow. As you can see, this the installation of TensorFlow are going to be happen. These are the downloading TensorFlow. In this way you can install TensorFlow. If you're getting any error, you can write on comment, I will solve it. Subscribe my channel, share with the coding programmer students. Thank you.